Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Roffie RP20. That's an electronic blood pressure monitor device. It's an awesome appliance to check our blood pressure. That's really easy, and this is a new wrist blood pressure monitor. It is an automatic measuring device to be used only on the wrist. It enables simple, accurate, and fast measurement of blood pressure and pulse rate by use of the oscillometric method and people-oriented design. It is fast measurement, big LCD screen, motion detection, 60 memories, and portable case. This wrist blood pressure monitor intends to measure the systolic pressure, diastolic pressure, and pulse rate through the wrist. It's expected to be used home or in hospitals, intended for people over 12 years old. And it's so easy. You can see it's a big screen. And on the big screen, you can see the systolic and the diastolic and the pulse in the display window, in the big display window. Then we have the memory and set button on the left side. Easy. And an on and off button. That's all. And that's enough to make a nice and good blood pressure monitoring thing. That's a worldwide voltage making an ideal choice for travel because it's so tiny, so small. It matches our wrist and it can be used there to get the systolic blood pressure. This is the upper line. The diastolic blood pressure. This is the line on the center, and the heart rate is on the bottom right place. And voice broadcast. With smart voice broadcast, this blood pressure monitor will tell us the readings after measurements, suitable for the seniors and people in poor visions. And it's safe and accurate measurements. It's an automatic blood pressure monitor. We can get the measurements by one button operation. Accurate readings, the wrist cuff is suited for the wrist. Circumferences from 4.92 inches to 7.87 inches, and my wrist is really big, so it was nice and easy wrap around it. So you will perform the same better style because it's a one button operation and it's so easy to read after measurement. The wrist blood pressure monitor is easy with a large LCD display screen. Adopt LCD liquid crystal digital display shows results of high pressure, low pressure pulse more clearer for us to read. And it's so lightweight and portable. With a lightweight and portable feature, the monitoring system can check our pressure, of course, and our heart rate at any time. And this is the awesome thing. And anywhere. It comes with a plastic case to easy peasy store it, and it's awesome. If you're on vacation, you can check your pressure. To get the battery installed, it's really easy. You will get or you will need two AAA batteries. And these two AAA batteries you have to install into that appliance. We have to press the battery cover indicator for it and slide it to off of it. Job's done. Then we can see the two AAA size batteries. Then we have to get them in the right polarity. On the outside, then the plus pole, the positive pole, has to look upward, and on the other side, it has to be in the opposite direction. After this, get back the cover. Job's done. If the low battery indicators appears in the display, the batteries have to be replaced, of course. But this you can hear because it's not so fast anymore if the batteries are low. And then we have a display, LCD digital display, the measuring range of the pressures 0 kilopascal to 39 kilopascal. These are O mmHg up to 290 mmHg. That's a lot. That is good for us. And the accurate pressure is with 0.4 plus minus kilopascal. These are 3 millimeter Hg. And the pulse within plus minus 5% of the rating. Okay, but everything is fine. It's in a good shape. You can make a good and awesome blood pressure measuring, and of course a pulse measuring too. The measuring method is oscillometric method. The power source is 2 times the 1.5 volt AAA batteries. The operation condition is 5 degrees Celsius up to 40 and 50% humidity up to 80%. The air pressure is 860 Pascal to 1080 Pascal, and the storage condition is a lot more, of course, minus 20 to 70, no prob. And the air pressure is 860 to 1060, it's the same, no prob. You can store it where you like. And the dimensions are 67 millimeters to 78 millimeters to 65 millimeters. You can see it's really small and convenient. It's easy to deliver, to get on your vacation, on your business trips as well. No prop. Or you can use it at home. That's really awesome. Your calf circumference fit wrist is from 12.5 centimeters up to 20 centimeters. You can see it's a big, awesome thing. And it's really easy to check. We have to adjust the sitting position on the wrist. Place it one finger between your hand there. Then sit comfortable in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Place your left elbow on the table with the palm up, and then sit still and do not talk or move during the measurement. That's easy. And after this, you press the on-off button, and after having reached the anticipated value of inflation, the monitor will detect our blood pressure and pulse. And when the measurement is completed, our blood pressure and pulse rate will be displayed, and of course, it will be translated into a language. It will speak to you and tell you the measurements, which you get before. Awesome. Then to shut off the monitor, we have to press the on-off button again. Job's done. If we are going to read the memories in power off condition or after measurement, we have to press the MEM button to display the memories. Job's done. Okay. The MEM button repeatedly to press it, then it will go to the next value. That's awesome. The monitor can memory 60 data. The monitor will delete the earliest data automatically when the numbers of data is beyond 60. And this is really awesome to get a long range of blood pressure monitoring. And the range lower than 100 is hypertension. Lower than 60 is in the systolic blood. In the diastolic blood is lower than 60, hypertension, and the recommendation is check with your doctor, okay, of course. If you have a normal, this is 100 up to 130 systolic blood pressure and 60 up to 90 diastolic blood pressure. Then that's good self-check. So check this and have a look. If you have the a mild hypertension is 100 to 160 to 90 to 100. And moderately serious hypertension is 160 up to 180, like mine measurement here, and 100 to 110. A serious hypertension is higher than 180, really, and higher than 110. So you have to see your doctor soon. And if you are in that range, about 120 systolic, 280 diastolic, it's everything fine on you. And I hope this will be at the same. Chill out, relax, and then measure it. This is the RP20 blood pressure monitor by Roffie. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.